And I'm doing it right on the carpet. Good grief. Maybe I should get a piece of wood and whack on it. See, sometimes you can just hit it and it bends right out. I just have to get that bent in a hair. Okay, like that. Okay. See, now just take my my pliers and do that business. Okay, and I know eventually I'm going to have to push this in the box, and the wire is going to be coming from the opposite side. So the wire, when I push it in, it's going to go like that, right? And so when it gets snapped in, I could just snap it in now, because I'm pretty sure that's the way I want it to go. Okay, you just snap it in like that. See? Okay. And when I push it up there, I want that edge to miss the 2x4 up there, or you know what I mean? I don't want that edge to be on there, because then the box is going to be off sideways. So I'm going to hold it up there, make sure that it gets just beyond that, and it should, based on where I poke the hole up here, and I might be able to fish it right through that hole right now. Do you see what I mean? And that'll give me my hole. I'm just running you around because I didn't want you to think I'm double checking all this without you right here. Helping me with it. You see what I mean? And no monkey business going on. Nothing like that. Okay. So I can just make that hole a little bigger, just to get that through there. And I think that's gonna, see, that's fine, right like that. That's where I want that box. That's where I want that lined up, and I'm gonna line these two screws up. Going the direction of the floor joist. So I've got my screw, my mounting screws into the wood are going to be like right there. Okay, so now I can hold that right there. I'll get my pencil, and now I can mark this. And I may, once I get it, I might have to clean out the hole or whatever. You see what I mean? Now that whole thing is going to go up there, and 2/3 of this box is going to be on the wood, and the other part is going to be off the wood. So I have enough room to fish that wire over there. I could have ran this at the angle going over there, but I want my map. I could have done that, but that's okay. That was centered. See, if I would have done that, then this would have been centered off further. I'm pretty close to where I want. I should have lined that up a little better, because my mark is slightly that way. A little bit. It's not that far. I don't know if I'm going to really worry about it, but you see, I could make this over just a hair. And slide this box over slightly. Okay. Now I'm centered. I should have done that. Okay. And so now I'm more I'm more centered. I only moved it over, not that much, but I'll do the outside line. I'll do the outside line and the inside line over here, and I should be okay. Okay, and then if I have to clean up the hole, I'm going to cheat it to this side, and then that'll be almost centered where I need it. And that small little pencil line that's still up there, if I want to clean that off, I could, or I could leave it, because the mounting bracket and the ceiling fan housing and all that kind of good stuff is going to cover that up. Okay, now it's about cutting that. Okay, now I'm going to do that next, get situated, and start up the camera again. Okay, I'm going to, I guess I'll put my gloves on. Got my gloves here. I've got a crummy old towel over the bed, and I'll vacuum up everything when I get done. And now it's about cutting that hole. And see, most of it is on the wood, so I'm gonna have fun with that, aren't I? I got my little drywall saw, and I'm not in a race. I'm not trying to beat anybody. I can do a little bit at a time. I got to remember the inside line. Okay. And everything looks fine. And this part is a little tricky because I can only go up a little bit at a time. You know what I mean? And man, I'm gonna get all tired out here pretty quick. I can tell that right now. I'm gonna get underneath a little bit better if I can. Okay. All right, so I'm gonna, you get the idea. It's just slow and go. And like I said, I could use my drywall knife and kind of go, but it's kind of tricky to do that above your head. Plus, your knife is going to want to move. You could set it and kind of use it as a saw, you know, a little bit at a time. It's just tricky, you know. And so I'm going to use my saw and my drywall knife, get that, and I'm not going to show you the whole thing. You get that, you get the idea. Okay, I'll do that and trim that up and show you that in a minute.